Good morning, Hope class. How are you? Happy Tuesday. Hope you had a great Monday. Just want to check in with you, see how your workouts are coming. Remember, you have to do 3 of them this week. But the good news is you get to create your own workout. So whatever strikes your fancy, just create your own and just drop me an email. Let me know what you did and if you enjoyed it. I'm really interested to see what some of you have come up with. So that's your workouts this week. On Thursday, we're going to talk about protecting your hearing and vision. And for today, I just attached 2 pages. So in the next day or so, just read those 2 pages, and then we'll discuss that further on Thursday. So I read an interesting article about exercising during this virus. Now that everybody's home, lots and lots of people are trying to get into some kind of exercise program, not only for their physical health, but for their mental well-being as well. Don't know if you've tried to buy any kind of sporting equipment, training equipment on Amazon, or if you've been fortunate enough to be out at the stores. Newsflash, there aren't any. Everything's, not everything, but so many things are sold out. So people are sort of binging right now because they do have some time and they're exercising, and that is a really good thing. But too much of it can be a harmful thing. So I read this really interesting article, and I've attached it here below, and I want you to read it, and I think it has some really good points because as I was reading it, I was as guilty as anyone. I know it's been probably a month, I don't know, 4 or 5 weeks since I've seen you. Believe it or not, I've lost about 10 pounds from exercising. Good news is I'm not binge eating at home, but I have lost some weight, and I wanted to, so I got rid of a little bit of my belly, so I'm feeling pretty good about that. And I've done it through exercise, and I started running in the midst of being home, and I ran 10 out of 11 days. And then I sort of injured myself because it was too much. It was too much, too quick, and quite honestly, at my age, I don't need to be exercising 10 days out of every 11, something like that. You know, my body needs time to recover, and rest is a big part of the equation. So when I was reading this article, I go, I know. So the good news is I had to take about 3 or 4 days off and from the running, and I was one of those guys out walking around in the neighborhood. But now I'm back running again, and it feels really, really good. But I got to be smart about it. So that's what this article is all about, and it's talking about some guidelines for most people, how much you should exercise, you know, what you need to be doing in terms of eating, sleeping, drinking, hydration, and things like that. And what you can do is that you can overdo it as well. So read the article. Maybe it applies to you, maybe it doesn't, but I thought it was just some really interesting things as people are starting to exercise. So that's really all I have for Tuesday. I'm here again 8 to 11. Truth of the matter is, I'm here all day. So if you need me, if you have any questions about your workout programs or anything like that, please just give me a shout. I'm here to help you. We'll talk again tomorrow on Thursday, if you'd be so kind to prepare and read those 2 pages about your hearing and vision, and then we'll get into that classroom topic on Thursday. So that's all I have for you. Stay well, stay safe, keep exercising, send me your emails. I want to know how your exercise programs are going, and if there's anything I can do for you, just give me a shout. I'm here for you. It seems like it's been a long, long time since we've been together. I miss you, all of you, badly. I wish we weren't in this situation, but the good news is it sounds like and it looks like maybe this country, we're starting to come out of it a little bit. So it'll be over before you know it, and then we will be back together. So in the meantime, take care, and if there's anything I can do for you, just let me know. Bye.